Or the deal gets you no brakes on it. You don't have no maintenance on it. This is totally free. You know, unless you just burn the tires off of it. If you do that stuff. Who burns tires off of that?
Nobody knows what's going on here. Here comes Brandon and Alicia, and Diana don't know she's on the camera. Brian don't know that he's being on there either. Hello, Brian. What's he doing?
Oh, yeah, cute.
Brandon.
Nobody's in there. Turn the light out. Thank you.
Electricity.
She said wasting electricity.
I can see it.
Here, you can have my chair.
See, that's better. You can save the battery.
Let me squeeze through there.
Hiya.
Yeah, those batteries are 36 bucks.
Hi, dear.
Be careful.
I thought somebody told me there was more than that.
No, it's yummy. 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 It got yucky flowers on it. I like feathers.
You like feathers? You like feathers?
That's you, buffet. It's yucky flowers. It's yucky flowers. It's yucky flowers. Mama.
What, baby? Oh.
Hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Wouldn't that burn the bottom of the
Well, if you keep
bottle?
it hot.
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 Is it hot?
Panther toys and I got to Santa Claus.
Hey. Never mind.
What?
Yeah, what?
Something about throwing Santa Claus.
What you gonna tell Santa Claus?
I got Panther Santa Claus.
You got Power Rangers from Santa Claus. Penters.
And blocks and dinosaurs.
And blocks and dinosaurs. What else?
And a
I'm thirsty.
Ready?
Gross.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Laura.
Get out of here.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Make a
We're gonna
wish.
have a whole bunch more, and I'm gonna be there every time.
Okay. You gotta hurry up and make your wish.
Blow.
You have to be.
See you guys.
Say, now you know what her wish will be. No.
Have a nice
Make a
life.
wish.
I can't scoot in that far.
God.
But let me climb over.
For a happy, healthy baby. On time. And not premature.
blow it.
And a boy.
It looks like she's about to blow her brains out.
Blow.
Hurry. Go blow.
Mm.
Yay.
Do it. If I eat my cake, do I get some more? Yeah.
I'll let you eat whatever you want. Might see if Mama has some more ice cream if you want to eat your cake.
Say no.
I eat this all.
That was good, huh?
But
Say
can I
no
have some more
more.
of this?
If Mama has some more.
No.
Wait, eat a little bit of your cake first. Wait till everybody gets done eating their cake, okay?
That was my bite.
Stop.
You better.
What? Stop. Stop that.
Sick of study.
Yeah, stop it. Bad.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
I'm not bad, no.
She's saying bang, bang.
Oh, that's not nice.
Bang, bang.
Guns are bad.
Bang, 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 bang.
Hey,
Tell
Brandon.
Laura what guns do.
Hey, Brandon.
They
They're
killed
bad.
ya. Stop that!
Brandon.
Are guns good?
I stop now.
At least she'll go, we don't like guns, do we, Mom?
Come in, sweetie.
Eat your cake.
So we won't let Daddy get a gun, will we?
Nope. Nope. My daddy don't. My daddy don't get no guns.
Hmm?
And I tell him, you better don't get no guns.
Well, it's too late for that.
And did you tell him stop shooting me?
He didn't shoot you.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Ah, you didn't finish your cake.
I see you.
I just want to get it.
I see you.
Oh, great. Make me out to be the bad guy.
You know, I usually
Come
say
on,
me.
come over here.
Oh, honey, please.
We're not done.
No,
Yes, we're not done.
don't do that to me.
I'm there.
It's not fair.
What's she trying to do?
Stop.
Hey, Alicia, tell Daddy come here.
He's wearing my shirt again, Laura.
I know.
I love that shirt.
He was giving me, yeah, I got about 2 hours to go, that's all.
Hmm?
Who?
Mike. Buddy, he looked up on his atlas.
Dude. We have to get the freezer. Came out.
Oh, man.
The cake is good.
There's blood coming
Look,
out
all
of
the
my ear.
husbands.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
You missed
birthday
that.
to you.
Thank God it's me and not you.
What's on
I
your
thought
lip?
you and not me or whatever.
Happy birthday, dear Laura. How old are you? How old are you, Laura?
24.
24.
Right there, Brian. Ice cream, right?
Ice cream. I think that would be the right thing to do here.
No, it's good.
Cookies and cream.
That might be too sweet.
This isn't that sugary stuff. This is whipped cream.
This is whipped cream frosting. Ain't got
You're
hardly any.
mine.
I've got a real close-up shot on your face.
Right there.
Great, thanks.
Just like real light and fluffy.
What else you
kinda.
get?
Just your
No,
Oh, we
face.
could eat the whole thing and it won't be fattening then, right?
Well, I wouldn't say
Oh my
that.
God. Laura, film this. Film
But
this.
film Brian's piece that he's cutting for
Do
himself.
what?
Film this.
Film Brian's what?
What?
The piece of cake he just cut for
Well,
himself.
it's light.
Mr. Piggy.
Where did we put the thing? The scoop.
You said it was light.
Where are you going?
Check this out. Look at how big of a piece this boy's gonna eat.
Got a nice little view out.
Jesus Christ.
We gotta share the ice
Look at
cream.
that. Look how good that is.
Look at
That's
that. He's gonna make
perfectly
it all the
balanced.
way.
Good up at
Oh
the top.
my
And he's gonna put ice cream.
God.
He's gonna be throwing
I'm gonna
up.
be sick.
Yeah,
Who just flicked something on me?
Flip me a little
sorry,
bit
I
of
You just
that.
ate a whole pizza
more better. It's the most better.
and a big old salad.
There's Mom.
Do I have to eat,
Oh,
do I
good,
have to
you're
eat with a
using
plastic spoon?
No, it's when somebody
Okay.
besides me.
Let's say, can you say Daddy?
Oink oink. No.
Where's
Oink.
You filmed for a while.
What am I filming? My thumb?
It's on record
Did the
already.
kids tell you that you have to
These are the buttons for
hurry up
zoom in
so
and out.
that you can open your presents?
Why do I have to hurry? What time you
They're
have to
getting, the
leave?
natives are getting restless in
I'll
there.
leave at 3. That means I'll get out on the truck by 4. It gives me 3 hours. It's basically 2 hours a month.
It's good. Honey, you've had enough. You had your ice cream and cake and the rest of my ice cream. That's enough. You're gonna be sick. I don't want no sick baby.
Oh,
That's attractive.
It's only 14 miles.
What's this WT stuff?
14 miles.
That's with
What?
Why are you chewing on your nails? It's not that bad.
Look at Mama.
Mommy to be.
That must be a thing with the tailors on that, biting those fingers.
Mom made us do it.
I don't bite mine.
I just cut mine off.
I do not. I take them and I roll.
Because you can.
I go like that. Today I was
It's so pretty.
It's the chair
Mine
children.
have gotten long and I took the clippers today and cut them off because they bug me when they're long.
No.
The only reason you don't bite your nails is because you
No.
can't.
I'll go
That's the camera we want to get. That's the right size right there.
That's an 8
All right.
Yeah, you want nothing
Wait a
but 8
minute. If I go
millimeter.
this way, I might be able to fit
They
out.
get
Hell
too
no.
heavy. Remember
Okay,
they
you
get
want
so
to scoot
heavy.
up.
8 millimeter is the best way to go.
Gotta move real slow.
You know, you're
or
going to make the people who
dizzy.
are watching that really upset.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Ain't it
it's
great?
upside down.
Well, I can't get my fat butt out.
That's not my fault.
Okay.
Here,
For the cold
Lord's.
I can't believe how light this cake is.
Your child.
Did you like the cake?
The heater up.
Did you like
In there,
Yes,
one of
it's
the
a-
turn cake you went in there. You went in there and turned
Did you like it?
Say cheese again.
Say cheese.
All right, Brandon. Let's come in here and sit down and watch Laura open up her presents. Now, you don't got no presents, so we just watch her open up hers.
This is
Come here.
Laura's.
Sit down on the ground there.
This is Laura's birthday, okay? Okay, cheese is enough. No more cheese.
You're just about sitting on the wrong spot, Scotty.
Yeah, I'm realizing that every minute.
Tell Laura to switch
So
Why
Laura,
don't somebody else record?
Laura,
Can somebody turn off the TV?
Lauren's
Too
yelling.
much noise.
She's still saying cheese.
It's a monkey on it.
Oh, wait.
Where you been, Alicia? Tight jeans.
No, let her see it. It's back.
It's a monkey. It's a
Open it
monkey.
up.
Hey, Brandon, sit back.
It's a monkey.
Brandon, sit down, honey.
It's cute.
Hi there.
Sit down, Brandon. I thought y'all were supposed to be on the floor.
Sit. Come here, sit, Brandon.
It's Brandon's turn to give her a.
Get used to it.
He
Get
wants
baby
stuff.
stuff.
Gonna read it out loud?
Give it to Laura. What does that say? Thank
Cheese.
you.
Say,
It
Brandon.
says happy
tell her.
birthday, Laura. Marty wrote it.
Oh, I was like trying to figure out who that was from.
No, he just wrote happy birthday.
don't whisper.
Careful, Brandon. What are you doing? I'll tell you something.
Secret. Here. What?
I told you to tell you sorry about
Alicia?
the wrapping.
Oh.
Wait, honey, wait.
That's easy.
Wait a
Wait.
minute. She's got a belly.
Got a book in
You know what Alicia did?
You gotta come over here and sit now.
it.
This is from Judy
This
pulled
is
up
from
the
Dinah
first
and
card.
Marty.
Alicia. Present.
Okay.
Smells like powder.
Brandon.
Well, you don't think you're supposed to like inhale.
Got a little rattle. They had a white one and a blue one. I figured since it's blue, I got the blue.
Cheese.
That's cute.
Don't say cheese.
Well, it was white and pink. The other one was.
Brandon, honey, what are you doing?
She's trying to sit.
Well, you're just got to lift it back up. Just Paul, Laura.
I keep writing 23. I don't know why I keep thinking you're 23.
Look at this. Somebody got her card.
I went all the way over there to pick up a card.
No, that's
Hey,
Brandon's
okay.
turn.
Say, look, we're asleep all
This?
the time.
It's from Tina, Brian, Brandon, and Lauren.
Wow.
Nice wrapping.
Special wrapping.
Hey, brown paper bag is
I
the
thought
best.
you guys were supposed to be on the floor.
Get down in the.
Get in the floor, guys, because there's not enough room up here.
Look at
Please.
Kelsey.
Do baby.
There's a mouse in
Do
it.
you want to sit up here with me?
Careful, she'll just pop that kid's head off.
Oh, you wish you heard her, Lauren.
This is the phone.
I said Lauren.
Boy, look at those rings
The baby's bottle. What rings?
on your
What is
hand.
that?
Come here.
These two are the
ones with
baby's
rings.
what? Tina and Paula. They have Baba.
Watch her.
What?
Watch
I don't have
her.
any-
Baby's Baba.
Usually.
Laura, Laura.
I'm scared.
Baby's Baba.
I thought you gave
Yes,
her the
it's a
face with your
bubble.
elbow.
Baby's Baba.
This is the baby's book that I told you about. That she got like Paula's. And the
What did he
blanket.
say?
Oh,
It sounded like he said there's
This is my baby shower.
Yeah, you're having a baby.
Well, see, you're hard to shop for.
Lauren.
It's a blanket.
One like.
Ow. It's a
Wait
blanket.
a minute.
And then
After you give your friend.
Listen,
Lauren.
Cool.
give her the
Are you
first
on
one.
my
You gotta
line?
sit
Sit
down.
down here.
Yeah, you're not going bye-bye,
Baby
are you?
Brandon.
No.
Thank you.
She's become my friend today.
Oh, wait, let's wait.
Hey,
till she
Alicia.
leaves, Okay. Kelsey, honey. Alicia.
Ow.
Are you alive?
I'm a big man.
Say, look, we're sleeping big time.
All covered up.
Tina, quit saying that.
Who called me?
He goes, I'm a big man. I said, tell Tina, quit saying that.
I didn't say that.
You said, that's my big man.
No, he said, I'm a big man.
She was talking very uncomfortable.
Well,
What do you
wait.
think she
There's
is?
Kelsey
One at a
Ann.
time. You gotta
She's
slow
out.
down.
When he was little.
Leave that there.
Something about that.
It says happy birthday.
It was something really.
Alright.
Wait a minute, she's got
potty.
Not yet. She will be saying potty. You're about
Okay, now
Oh,
come.
honey.
This is from Doug, Paula, and Kelsey.
Brandon Chase.
Okay. Hey, Alicia. Could you move a
Get
little
out
bit,
of the way.
please?
Right.
Other way.
Come over to
Thank
Mama.
you.
So you couldn't
Come
say
here to Mama.
over here by Mama.
Alicia.
They've got
sit
the
with
tags
Mommy
on
Daddy.
them, so just in case you want to take them back.
Move. More maternity pants.
All
yeah, but for
right.
about a month
about
after you have a
2
baby, you'll probably want to wear them then.
Oh yeah, you will.
You have to stay over here. Cause
I
still don't fit in the medium.
Holy moly.
Okay.
You're a big girl now.
Come on.
And the same size as the others. The other ones are small.
You know that after you get them in on, just go look at 'em.
I thought they were medium.
Your stomach will fill it up dude, when you're baby.
It goes. They go up around my stomach, up around here.
The small does?
Yeah.
Well, you put tags on them so you get a small. Okay.
These are the
They've
ones
got
like I've
ones
got
just
that I
like
couldn't
it.
find. I
At-
couldn't find them.
At Kmart.
Yeah. When we went to Kmart, I couldn't find them.
Well, they're starting to get all
They're
the new
hanging on
clothes
the wall.
in. They're starting to get the new clothes for summer and stuff. Yeah.
Looney Tunes.
Ow!
That was a movie. My boobies hurt. Okay.
Thanks for sharing.
Thank you.
No, that really hurt.
We got that on tape.
No, you just took
Just
put her hand right
on her.
That's right there.
Lauren, come in.
Thank you.
Oh, now I'll be able to shove it at her.
Watch your legs. Okay, you go tell Mama all about it.
What, honey?
Oh, she won't.
Oh.
I didn't know what she
Move,
was
Alicia.
fussing about.
Come here, baby.
Right here on the corner.
Now I can't.
That's not a gun.
Shower.
It's not a gun.
Quit.
Hear me?
What?
Hear me?
There you
Hear
go.
It's our
me?
black limitation. Quit.
Oh, that's cruel. I got it on tape.
Get it on tape.
What did she do?
Hit me.
It's our black woman imitation.
You know that.
How wiggle her hair.
You know how Tina used to do her neck.
Tell me.
Can you still do that?
What?
The way you used to.
No, don't.
I can't do it.
She thinks I'm
You got your
getting
finger in your nose.
Like a chicken?
Yeah.
Brandon.
Brittany, quit.
I went like this to Alicia. She goes, "Your finger don't fit in my nose, but mine does. See, look."
That's nice.
Can I have that? Thank you. No, let's pop.
Here, come here and see me, Lauren.
You can
Yeah, get that back.
She
Tell him bad, bad, bad.
The same bang bang.
Can I have it, Lauren?
Bang, bang.
What'd you put on there?
Bang, 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 bang.
No, you didn't. Pow, 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 pow,
What?
Not me too. You put we too.
We, yes, too.
Well, she's put we and then she put her.
Oh, okay, I get it. Okay. I thought.
Oh, I get it. I thought he was playing Space Cadet.
No.
Hi, baby kicking.
Look at the cat.
Sammy Gizmo.
Sammy gives.
That's what it looks like.
Sammy Gizmo.
Everything looks black and white in this thing.
What hurt?
Always look at her.
Man, you are sleeping like a log. You sleep
Hey,
through your
Laura.
sleep.
What? Match your clothes.
Oh, dear God.
Yeah, it'll pull her hair with it. Oh, look how cute.
Poor child.
We're gonna show this to your boyfriends when you're 16. Boyfriends.
She's not allowed to
Singular,
have
not
one until
plural.
she's.
Oh, Lonnie, I had boyfriends when I was real little.
Yeah.
No comment.
What's that? Chess.
All right, I got a birthday present.
This is just the box your dad's came in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We tricked. Just goes, I'm not stupid. Yeah, because that says Ruth Light on it.
Is that?
On the bottom. Hey, it's Ruth's present. Oops, wrong one. Better put it back.
Oh, ow.
You okay, hon?
My bone that makes your legs really
Crazy
long.
bone? Oh.
See, it's
You
up
got her
here.
another baby book, didn't you?
Pet me.
She got another baby book. You're gonna have to take it back.
Ooh, excuse me.
It's a real thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
The
like
batteries
it.
are already.
Thanks.
Okay. Get in the boat.
I love to play chess. You know how to play chess, Kristen?
I like playing
See, I got Stan one for Christmas.
cool game.
And she won't leave it alone. So she
I
got
didn't
That's
know
it.
that.
No, don't.
It's
Come
got
on, being
72
mauled by
levels.
children.
It's
Get back.
got teaching.
I can go to 1.
It's got teaching. It's got beginner.
I last 5 minutes.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Lauren, honey.
me play
Her
this.
tongue is blue.
You find it?
You
There's
can
that
play with
chicken
Oh,
something
that's
in
from
the
the
bowl.
name, can't you?
Wait, Brandon, there's a
Huh?
pizza
Okay.
down
Play
there.
with something
Excuse
from
me.
the name.
Miss Bogue, got my head. Oh, you can't. Yeah, if you don't want to.
Thank God.
Okay, next.
Now that's it. Bow off the head.
Well,
Yeah.
you want me to go home and get the rest?
Your husband's too cheap to buy you
I saved some
anything.
in case you had a baby shower.
Hmm?
So I wouldn't
Yeah.
have-
Hey, you're tearing up my
Well,
Sammy
I
Gizmo
wanna-
paper.
Here, put it in here.
Let me see it.
Let go, Lauren.
put that
Let go. Let.
Let me see
She
it.
likes a kitty cat.
So Diana, are the comics more
I got more in
important?
there.
Well, she was legging. I don't know.
You got caught and it's on film.
Ow, my wrist.
Current affair, here we
Well, I
come.
don't get newspaper. I'm not privileged.
Here, Laura.
We had it.
Well, we don't get one either.
Throw off a little kitty cat.
So I have to take the news or the comics when I can get them.
Steal them from your neighbors.
I know what to
Whatever
get her
it is, I
next
know of
time. Get her wrapping paper. There you go.
Save that for the baby shower,
Oh, boy.
baby.
No, you
Save
get
that for the
baby
baby
shower
shower.
paper for baby
Well,
shower.
that's wasteful if you already have some.
Okay.
It's the color that I want my baby stuff to be.
Green.
See?
That's
Green.
what I wanted
Yeah,
when I was,
see,
while I
remember I
was
told you.
pregnant, but have you
All done.
seen the stuff
All done.
the stuff they got
All
at
done.
JCPenney's? The ones that they've got pillows and sheets and blankets and everything. On the wall.
One
Well,
down,
it's like the
go.
baby stuff I gave
Oh,
you.
you got,
The-
oh, there's a.
That's what Brandon.
That's what I wanted. The
Um,
colors
yeah.
that I wanted,
The
but
colors in
I'm
the
glad-
berry.
Tina, Paula,
Berry.
Diana, Laura.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
We,
Wish you
I
a
think
Merry,
we've
Merry
decided we'll
Christmas.
have the baby shower, Monday the 3rd
My grandma's.
at
That's
7
the day
o'clock.
before Laura Paula's birthday.
We'll have
Set
Paula's
No,
up
it's
for
not.
edition.
Yeah, Paula's birthday
Is it?
before.
Is it April?
Seriously.
Yeah, this is March.
It's your
my birthday's
birthday.
a week and 1 day.
But we're all
That's
here.
Doug.
Our gra-
What-
our grandma.
What day is that on?
Monday, we're gonna have the baby shower.
Nothing.
Monday the 3rd,
He's finishing up.
It's next Monday, right?
a week from tomorrow. And then
See
a
what we
week
got,
from
Laura.
Tuesday is Paula's
We got it.
birthday. We'll have that
We
at
got her
about 6.
pants and a shirt.
Cause I don't wanna do them
That's
both
what we got.
together. I
Set
should
up.
do them both together, but.
It's also that check.
Get a big cake like that and have them.
Check.
That way we split.
No.
Make a
It
little
won't
pretty little design and put the baby
Yeah.
over here and
No,
birthday.
gotta
Let me see that more than one.
Ah.
I just got through putting it in the box.
Come on.
I'll take that.
Come on, let's go and watch.
Yeah, but you put everything in the box but that.
Come on.
That's the end.
Oh,
Well,
man,
now
I'm
you're
slow.
set up. Do
You-
set up
Hey,
Now get
position.
greedy now, you don't
Oh,
get
well,
both of them.
Actually, the
Why not?
One for each.
It's like,
Cause you can't, cause 2 people can't play on that board, right, Dad?
It's off.
it's like printing double and the carbon rubs off of the paper.
They were asking Kenny, her cousin. He was
Yeah.
asking if we had a chess
Okay.
board, you know, for 2 people to play on.
Your turn.
My dad was just going, we just got that little small one that we were
Get
just
ready
like,
to start. Go.
if you just turn that one off, you know, 2 people can play on it.
Yeah.
Across. Lights.
What would be wrong with the copier if
And it's,
the
It's, I know what's wrong with it, the carbon is
Why don't you
coming
just
out
ask
too
me?
fast.
it wants to go here.
Ask me, or ask Scotty, he knows everything
Wants
about
to
copy.
back
What's
here.
going on?
Well, it's
Thanks, hon.
Boy,
I'm depressed now.
You hit it twice on each one.
No, I know everything about making soaps.
Come in, Mom.
Well, it was supposed to be the black.
Let Grandma see.
When I moved, the minute that I didn't move the black
Say
yet,
cheese
it
burger.
went back to white.
She'll say cheese.
No, it's tiny.
Say cheese.
Lauren.
This part right here.
anyway, let me get off here, okay?
See, it's double meaning sometimes it's on white. Both white.
Yeah, let Mama see your cheese.
I don't think I got it because I was holding it wrong.
Lauren, let Mama
Bad,
see your teeth.
hot.
Show Mama
Let me see your teeth. Let Mama see your teeth first. Let me see.
Let Mama see your teeth.
Let me see.
No,
Look at Grandma.
Show Mama all your teeth.
Oh boy! Whoa!
It's almost the same thing. You got for me that one day with the snow?
Drivers. Those green ones.
It's green and white, $3.99.
What are you doing? Don't take a pic. Don't get me on there. Just get her. Cause I need to take a shower. I'm a grease ball right now.
Hey, Lauren. Lauren. Holler at her.
Lauren.
Got that baseball cap on. Look at her.
Hey, you've got my elephant.
Lauren, Michaela.
Huh? My toe.
She's good at getting your toes, Bo. I know, so is Alicia. I've got one toenail that stays ingrown on
Look at her
her, and
ear.
it's the only toe she ever steps on.
Give the elephant to Laura.
Clip them cute Laura.
You want to come see? Come here.
You can get
Come on.
a lot better if you get that stuff at Sam's.
Careful. Careful.
Yeah, I know.
Come on. It's okay. Come on.
I remember we went one time.
Did you want to come see the baby?
A box of wipes for $6, and it had like 5 holes.
It's okay. Come on.
$3 for each one.
She started to get up there and stuck her hand in Kelsey's stomach.
I didn't either.
Don't move around too fast, or you'll make everybody sick.
On that, he moved the queen over.
I should have ordered 4 of them, shouldn't
One for Doug, one for Brian, one for Marty.
No, one for me.
Yeah, one for each family household. That you got one in this house. One for each
I never get to
house.
play with it.
I can't understand it. I tried.
And that's something like if he's in the truck and he's laid over and he can sit there and play with it.
And you can turn it off.
Shut up, Laura. He probably does that too. Probably does that too, Laura.
Tina.
My hat. The love.
I hope she's making fun of Dad.
I wasn't
No,
making
she's
fun of
laughing
Dad.
at me
I was
because
laughing at what Tina said.
He could be laid over in the truck and he could just take that out and play with it.
Oh,
He
God.
started laughing.
I didn't
I
hear
said,
it.
probably does that too.
Hi.
I didn't hear that the first time.
Oh, please.
Pull it out and play with it.
What are you doing?
Just taking out your garbage.
Hey.
That needs to be thrown away.
Oh, that's what
Don't teach her that.
Don't teach her that.
Hey, Lauren. Lauren. Hi.
Hey, Poo Poo Head, what are you doing? Ah, what are you doing? You're sliming my finger.
Doesn't seem like that before.
Like what? What? For what?
Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. She's going, God, let me go.
Well, if it's the baby's not calling me.
Oh, easy, 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 easy.
Susan's moving.
I said it don't seem like there's 4. And Tina says that's because the baby's not causing any trouble yet. Oh, she don't like that.
Look at Lauren's tongue hanging out.
What a face she's making.
She don't like
She's trying to eat
that.
my hand. Watch.
She don't like that, Pat.
Oh, God.
I like the back of your head,
Okay.
Lauren.
Easy, Lauren, honey.
Yo.
Here, you wear it. Okay? You wear it.
Where did the funny papers go? I didn't see
I've
them.
got Laura, dear.
Lauren, honey, your lids. Careful.
Hey. Say cheese for the camera. Say cheese. No, don't pull on it. Say cheese.
I did perfect.
Say cheese, Lauren. Oh, God.
Uh-oh.
Sounds like a fire truck.
No more to eat, Brandon.
Hey, Kelsey.
Down, he said, "I'm
Kelsey.
Him and Alicia are eating more cake. Like it made him get down. Got mad at him.
Yeah, but he's skinny.
Well, he's got a high metabolism.
Sometimes it takes a long time.
What's she doing? She's gonna sneeze or yawn.
She's trying not to yawn.
I mean, she's losing. Nobody's taking the menu.
Nobody's taking a man yet?
I see Diana.
Well, they're just dancing around each
It's
other.
tough. We're dancing.
Oh, okay.
We're getting in the move here in just a minute. It's gonna be a whop out here soon.
Yes. Yeah, Lauren.
I'll tell you a funny one.
Here, Lauren, bring it here.
First thing
Bring it
that
here.
was played on there. Give that to Memo. Just goofing off.
Give that to Memo. Give that paper to Memo. Go bang bang Memo. Bang bang. Go bang bang.
Yeah, you can't let out.
Oh, teacher, bang bang.
Give it to Memo.
Wait a minute, you moved both sides.
No, not
Yeah, I'm waiting
Paula.
for the computer. It's telling me,
It's
the
fine.
computer's
Memo.
telling me where it wants to move. I move for it.
It thinks out. Oh, it thinks out it's smooth.
Dude's tough. I see it.
Where's the
Brandon, Lauren,
What's the what?
or Brandon and Alicia, get in here, please.
What are you
I'm
doing?
afraid they're going to notice. You're eating.
She had a piece of cake.
Your child is joking.
Is she alright?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he got you. There's one.
That's where a bunch of guys get together and burst. There's a little rat tapping on my door.
What time you leaving in the morning? Why don't you call me when you get up?
Where are you going?
Visit you.
To Virginia. Well, in the morning, if we come, it'll be in the morning. Okay. We don't know. So I can get up.
It'll probably be like
I
10,
told you you
10, 11.
She's got the biggest mouth I've ever heard in my life.
Oh, honey, you ain't heard my cousin Ashley. If you ever heard Ashley, she makes Alicia
sure you
sound
want
like
me
the
to call you
quietest
in the
child in the world.
Are you sure you want me to come this morning?
Buddy, you okay?
You alright?
Hey, you want to go to timeout, Alicia? Brandon just got a whipping for pushing. You'll get one too.
Tina, call me in the morning, okay?
Are you pushing?
Are you going tonight?
No, Brandon and Alicia were pushing each other.
Well, I think he
And I told her he just got a whipping
No,
for
Buffy.
Lyndsey that Alicia's gonna get one. She thinks
We're
Brandon.
away for about 20 or 30 minutes. So hurry up.
Oh, that's mine. Then,
Are you
yeah.
gonna go with them all?
Can she play with it?
No way.
She's a pushing buttons here.
Who, Lauren?
Who?
That little girl, your daughter.
Alicia?
Mom.
I can't even
No.
remember Lindsay's name, and I said,
We'll have to tattoo their names across their forehead.
no, I mean, when they all get together, I
Are you filming yet?
So I call Alicia.
Come here, Lauren. Show Mama. Come here. She'll put her down her chest here. Do like this, Lauren. Lauren. Look, Lauren. Hey. Did you get that? That's cute. She's got
now you
both
can turn
my
that
hands.
light out, or do you want it on while you're playing?
No, it can go out.
You want it on?
Go.
Bad boy.
See that?
Thank
I
you.
haven't seen it since he was a baby
Huh?
almost.
Come here. Come here.
And she goes,
Did you want her in the picture? I'm taking her away. She said, I said, I want to talk to her. She says, I'll
Hey,
come in.
Lindsay. Say cheese. Alicia. Quit. Don't let me-
No Power Rangers in Grandma's house.
We're pretending.
Oh, no pretending Power Rangers. I don't allow it.
No, no, no,
No.
no. Right?
Okay, go over there and shop on shop. Hop.
Simon says play dead.
Hop. Hey, Lauren, Alicia?
Damn
many kids ain't.
Hi, Memo.
Where are you at? There you are. Hey, what are you doing down there? What you doing down there?
Say cheese.
You gotta hit her.
What?
She's naked.
So you can get toys out.
All want the same complexion, no peeling spots. You know, I'm starting to get freckles everywhere and funky skin. What? Can I help you? Can I kill you? Good job, baby.
It's been through everybody, I think.
I wonder. So.
Brett, look.
I think it was the boy.
The boy did it.
That don't have sound.
Lauren,
Yeah,
come
it
here.
does.
Oh.
It picks up all the sound too.
Lauren.
I'm probably gonna make everybody dizzy moving too fast.
Brandon, stop jumping. Alicia, no.
We have here a bad
I do really
Stand up on top of the toy box, please.
No.
Is he heavy, Lyndsey?
Oops, I forgot I'm recording.
You gonna do it again?
No.
Let me see you do it again.
Come on.
In that case,
Who is that?
save this one.
Who is that? That's the one. Kelsey. Alicia. Who is that you're holding? Who is that you're holding?
Wesley.
What's his last name? Well, who is Wesley Smith?
Is that your baby sister?
Well, who is he? Who is he?
He's my brother.
Oh, you got a brother? When did you get a brother?
Her belly.
Oh, whose belly? Hers? Who is her?
My mom.
Your mom and Wesley's mom, huh?
Mine kind of started getting my heart set on a girl, and then, or on a boy. And then Dr. Wesley went and went for that 28-week exam, and ultrasound, and he said it was a girl. And he thought it was a girl. Or if it was a boy, he was hiding it awful well. So I just, had it in my head that it was a girl.
That's the East Gun. I think Santa Claus wants to come see him too.
Who?
The baby. Bring him some toys. Reckon?
Ooh, Mom, look.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
Over here. Peek.
You gotta
Sit
close
down.
your eyes.
Turn around. Sit down and close your eyes.
Keep them closed.
Keep them closed tight.
Right, put your hands down. I see you peeking.
Okay.
Ah! Where did you get this from?
And looky. She's got 2 baby bottles.
Oh my goodness.
And she's got another dress.
God, that baby is big.
Huh.
Look at that's as big as Kelsey.
Is it big like Kelsey?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think
Now
about?
crawling.
Look at
Show the camera what? Show the show it to the camera.
Oh. Wait.
See now when
So
Mama.
now you got a baby sister too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alicia, when Mommy gets busy with Wesley, you can take your baby and feed her and change her clothes. See, here's her dress.
Cover me up.
There's her other dress. She's got another dress. See? And there's a little rib, a bow for her.
Oh no. That's a lot
You're
of
sleepy. I got me covered
She
up.
have
I'm not
growing.
going
She's half
I don't have
grown.
it.
She's as big as Kelsey.
Hey, look.
Hi, Wesley.
See, we're gonna get
Wesley.
him
Oh,
wake
his
up.
eyes are open. They were.
She's one. Is she?
Hey, Doug.
You can wake up. Oh, while you got that mouth
She
open,
has
we're gonna plug
drinks
you
in
in.
this.
But look at Diana.
I don't care, man.
Okay, that's it.
Ow, ow, ow. Let
She's
go.
done.
Push the red button for pause. The red button, just push it and it'll pause you.
It didn't do it.
No, you're not pushing the red button. You can move that thing, Diana. Grab it.
All right.
Pause it.
Of course not.
Oh, don't.
Careful.
You have to keep a hold up under his head.
I was trying to get that away.
There, yeah, right there like that. So there, look, he's getting elf ears.
He was trying to get that. Oh, don't you get that.
Is he trying to nurse?
He was trying to get
He's just looking at you. He won't,
He's not trying to do.
He says,
he won't try to do mommy. What are you talking about?
Don't even try.
Careful.
He's just looking at
Be
you.
easy.
Because he remembers you talking to him when he was in mommy's belly. Remember? You used to talk to him. No, we thought he was a baby sister.
He says, I thought my name was Miranda. Where did this Wesley stuff come from?
Say, well, we didn't expect a little weenie when he come out either.
I swear,
Expect a little
when they pulled him out of there, I thought, what's wrong with that baby girl? Weird. And then they said it's a boy, and then it clicked after a second or two. Oh, it's a boy. That's why it looks so funny.
There's Paul and Doug.
So you can tell she never had boys.
Really?
Oh, sneeze it.
You didn't get
That doctor when she
Samuel's
delivered him, now they
first
did the
feeding on
seven
tape,
eggs.
Laura.
And
That's
she goes,
okay.
Hey, there's another one in here. Not just kidding. I was like, don't do that to me.
At that point, you probably would have believed it after I'm telling you had a boy.
And my eyes got real big. She goes, no, just kidding.
Here's the girl. Here she comes now.
Hey, man. They wouldn't have done that to me.
Why got a little boy?
It's just the way it
I
happens.
said, that's what God told her. That's what God wanted us to have when she's into this God stuff. You know, she's on a religious kick at this time.
Just happens.
Everything that happens is God made it happen.
Another country heard from.
I gotta take Doug that movie.
Good Lord. Look at Mama. Get Mama. Get Mama.
Jesus God.
It's baby.
What are you doing?
Welcome to
Huh? You picked her up out of there holding him?
I gotta get
He's heavier than her, isn't he?
They're about the same.
I got on the scale and it said 129 and then I was holding him and it said 140 136,
Feel better
Want
now?
me to take one?
something like that. So it's like 17 pounds.
Oh, either one. It doesn't matter. Okay.
What is it? 146. It was 146.
146, yeah.
146, and you were
It's like all of a sudden
129?
I come over here, I don't get to hold my son anymore.
17.
That's what she is, 17 pounds.
That's that's big lips, big cheeks.
Diana, look. They weigh the same.
I'd say they're about as long. He's about as tall as she is, probably.
Yeah.
No, she's longer.
Well, he's a short, stocky guy.
How tall is he? How long is he?
And look how
Uncle Scotty and Kelsey. There's something
Trimmer
on
boy.
what?
Here comes Paula again.
Who's a butthole?
He started that shaking again.
Okay, I'm gonna sit you right there for right now. You-
Her mama's here. She just
He
woke
just
up.
shakes. He just Hey,
You want
you
your
want to hold
mommy?
Kelsey now? Here, let her hold Kelsey. You want to hold Kelsey? Okay, you come up here and you help me. He was shaking. He was getting scared.
He's okay.
He was getting scared. There you go.
Kelsey.
Right here. That's a good shot.
Didn't even know I was gone, did you?
She
Did they
took a
get
nap.
down here?
I could not find
His
her
little hands are like
Tylenol.
ice cubes.
I
I couldn't find the towel.
Wanna give him a kiss?
I was looking in the diaper bag.
So she has to have her phone on?
Ooh, the sun.
Well, brother, maybe don't start.
Don't cough on the baby.
They got allergies, don't you?
I don't believe that.
She gets around cats and her nose starts running and she starts
I
coughing.
thought Paula said everything was in the diaper bag that we need. And I looked in your bedroom, I never thought of looking up there.
What are you doing to that baby?
She's okay.
Is he okay, Mom?
Give it to her now. Yeah, he's fine.
Babies everywhere.
I'm glad it's over.
Ow! 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 Oh, yeah, that's what I was doing.
Well, remember, he's used to being in the apartment. He's not used to this cold air.
Is it cold?
Yes, it's cold in here.
You got,
I think it feels good.
you got potato. You got sweet potatoes on your nose. Oh, I didn't know if you had given her sweet potatoes on your
Well, I didn't know if I
nose.
had him wrapped up too warm or not. I've got his pants and his socks and everything.
She's used to this, buddy. She's like,
He's used to the hot apartment. Baby lamb. Dad in there.
That's
Emptying
cooking
the...
supper.
what's he making?
Beans and cornbread.
Doug went home to see if he has to cook supper because he doesn't remember, and to give his grandmother's glasses to her if he's going to come back, you know. If he doesn't have to.
Look at her looking at Laura. Oh, she's looking at that little light.
You careful, 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 careful. He's going, hey man, I'm in here.
Okay.
Yeah, my hand cramps
Move
up
your
really
arm.
easy.
Uh-oh, you got mad.
That's carpal tunnel syndrome.
Yeah, it's called pumping my boobs.
My turn.
Yeah, like, I don't know what else to tell him.
No, I just wanted to get
No.
you can basically her
Hey, there's something on the lens.
I know.
I know, and I don't know how to get it
I
off.
think it's on the inside.
Oh. Great, I just got a good shot of my face. It's the baby factory. 1,
I have to give
2,
both of you guys a pair of those.
3. Hi, hon.
Sorry.
Size 30 pants. Iffy.
Oh my God, I hate you.
I got into my old pants again.
I gave
I
up.
haven't tried yet. Don't y'all do the butt shots? Every time one of you guys gets a camera.
You're doing the butt shots and front shots.
Swinging the camera around, making everybody sick.
You mean like this?
It got dumped.
Oh, God. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
I'll be like, suck them. What do you
You're terrible.
See, that's supper. What are you talking about? That ain't no food.
She's talking back and she's hiccuping.
He's had a rough week. He's still asleep.
He went, let's go.
He's going over to beat her up. Baby battle. Battle of the babies. Well, no, she's going to bite me now.
Hey, wait a minute. There's...
Let's do the chicken fight. She always grabs my hair.
What are you doing?
Have you ever played chicken in the swimming pool? You put somebody up on your shoulders and try to
No.
knock them down in the...
She always grabs my hair and grabs me.
I have been craving more stuff since I had him than before I had him.
Let go. Let go.
It's like I got a rush of wanting everything that I see to eat.
Where'd she go? There she is. Watch it. Get her. She's gonna take it off, man.
She's got her mouth all the way.
Laura and Samuel. Paula and Kelsey. You look like Tina there. Hey, careful. Careful.
And she about smacked him across the face. She got close.
I'll kick you.
No Power Rangers in Mama's house. God, this thing's killing me.
Like hold her back with her arms.
Oh, don't break her little collarbones.
God, the flip top head. I was gonna keep Wesley away from her because his head is about the size of a chew toy now.
No, you can't chew on her.
About the size of her mouth.
She's got a big old mouth. It's kind of hereditary, isn't it? Laura and Samuel are the same color. Paula's a little bit redder and he's darker.
Laura looks more and more like Tina. I hadn't realized that.
She just got that Ricky Lake dude.
Talk to me.
She'll do stuff and she's certain ways that she does and she'll look like Ricky Lake.
Ew, that's not exactly a compliment.
She went like this the other, or did something with her hair and had her hair behind her ears and had her hand up like this. I went, oh God, I mean, she looks like
God, look at the slobber glisten on her hands.
Well, you get sprayed one way or another with a baby around. I can't believe you peed on me. I'm going to have to write that in his baby book. The first time you peed on me.
I know.
And Grandma will be here Sunday. Did you know?
Grandma Taylor.
Really?
Mhm.
Who's bringing her?
Kenny?
Really?
Yeah.
Did she get my letter?
I don't know. She hasn't said anything about it.
Oh, man. Don't
You're
cry.
going to get to see your Grandma Taylor.
Oh.
The other one. The older one.
You can
2 weeks to make sure his heart's okay.
Scotty and Alicia.
Alicia's feeling left
Eating
out, so
the
they're going to go
plums.
eat.
They're eating plums off of Grandma's plum tree.
Ooh, you got a plum tree?
Got 2 of them.
Don't tell Marty it'll be picked clean.
Oh, we need to be picking it.
And he'll come up here and he'll clean it up for you.
Laura and Samuel watching Alicia and Scotty eat the plums from the, she's watching from Scotty and Alicia in the side yard. Monkey see, monkey do.
Don't put your weight on that because you're going to break it.
Hi, Precious. Hi, Precious.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi there.
That was almost a good, what you call it? Okay.
Alicia, I'm going to bust your tail.
Sit him up.
It's funny when Kelsey tries to feel stuff, she'll go like this. She'll go. Instead of grabbing it now, she'll just go.
Oh, I can see the top of his head.
Try to put the steering wheel in his mouth and around. Bula bula bula. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down.
Hey, you're going to feed me. Hey. You're going to feed me. Hey. I'm talking to you.
Alicia kept going, why is he a boy? Why is he a boy? She said, God decided we needed a one boy and one girl.
Hey, Kelsey. Kelsey.
Watch out for the
God
mouse
makes
over
it
there on
and
camera.
God does this, but actually it was on a God kick. Well, that everything was either good. If it was good, it was for God. If it was bad, it was for the devil. I told her, don't tell her about the devil.
What if it was neutral?
There's no such thing. It's either good or bad.
Give her her toy back.
I don't know how. I can't.
You don't know how? You can't get
Well,
it
watch
back.
out, she's coming up behind you. She's going to try to put you in her mouth. Okay, there it goes.
Hey, poking his eyeball
Shasta.
out.
Like the sidewinder trap.
Come here, Shasta. Ow, my toe.
Just startle him and make him wake up.
No, he's asleep.
No, be good. No. No.
Pull the chin out.
Baby Matt.
No. No.
I can't tell.
I'm friends. I got it.
Is he making
You can't
faces?
catch me.
No, he's just sleeping. Little hands.
Ow! He's been a little piece of skin. Ow! Where's Shasta?
Careful, don't throw stuff.
Guess he's gonna crack your hair.
Why do you keep hiding behind it?
And when I'm
Kelsey.
kind of glad he's a boy because now I don't have to go through brushing out hair every day. 2 heads of hair.
Come here, Kelsey.